for the right hand, I want you to take your right hand and come up to the next octave up. And here, instead of playing 3, 2, 3, 1, we're going to add a note to that. So we're going to be playing a 2-note chord. So I want you to play fingers 3 and 5 together, play 4 and 2 together, 5 and 3, and then finishing on the thumb by itself. All right, do that one more time. And in rhythm, now if you find that the fingering here is a little tricky, you can just slide over and play 1 and 3